Apataki mā, no mai hoki mai ki te whakaaturanga o Whānau Wellbeing. Welcome back to our show all about creating whānau connections through kai and kotahitanga.
Mātua mā, you might have to get a pen and paper out for this episode because we are covering something super important, how to get your tamariki to clean up the whare. In a fun way though.
E hara mau e hangareka ana, we're not joking with you. What we're about to show you has been a lifesaver during lockdown. So let's get into it. Me tīmata tātou.
So if you're a parent, there's no doubt you've experienced the many battles with your tamariki about helping out around the whare. Moaning and talking back is the last thing you want to hear. And let's be honest, sometimes we just do the mahi ourselves because we just can't be bothered.
I te wiki tuatahi o te noho haumaru, I kimi māua I tētahi mahere mahi ki runga I te ipirangi. So in the first week of isolation, we found this cool kids cleaning kaupapa that we now call the mahere mahi or the Monopoly Mahi board online. And here's how it works.
Tēnā, whakarongo mai koutou. Now, Mama and Papa have opened a shop, a new shop in our whare. Now at this shop, it has some treats, some snacks, some movie time and other special things. So, when you explain the mahere mahi, you need to start off with the fun part first because you need to get the kids excited. It's all about how you sell it.
The tour is so cool because you can buy like movies and you can like phone your friends.
Now, you can only buy stuff from our new tour if you have Monopoly money. Ka pai. So to get this putea, you have to do mahi on our mahere mahi. Okay, so here's a list of the type of mahi you can do in our whare, ki te whakapai te whare. Also, he mahi anō ki konei mo ngā mahi kura. So, each one of these mahi gets a Monopoly money. Nō reira, mehe mea ka whakapai koe te tepu, tahi miriona tāra. Mehe mea ka mahi tō rūma, tahi miriona. Ngari ko te mea pai, mehe mea ka mahi koe ngā rihi, rima miriona tāra. Ā ka tā koe te whakamahi I tō putea ki te hoko he mea mai I te toa.
Ka tiki koe tahi miriona tāra o te tepu.
So everything in the tour has a different value. So if you want to get an ahi paraka, that is $1 million. If you want to FaceTime your friends, $1 million. If you want to go on YouTube for 30 minutes, $10 million. So here's the condition. The tour is only open between 9 and 3 o'clock. So you'll have to finish your mahi first to get your treats. Me mutua I tō mahi e te tuatahi ne?
So, you need to have a time limit on your tour so that your kids aren't asking for things all day and night.
If it was real money, I would buy a zoo.
If my money was real, I would buy a mansion.
Ka taia koutou te mahi tahi, you can work as a team to combine your putea to buy something together. You need to keep track of your putea and the mahi you do so you know how much you can spend. Kei te marama?
Aye.
Getting them to track their putea is a fun way for them to still be doing a form of writing and maths. And it teaches them a little bit about budgeting too, which is awesome.
Ka pai. Nō reira, ia ngā mahi ka mahia e koutou.
Kei te whakaere ngā kākahu, kei te pōkaina taura, kei te pena, kei te mahi ngā hu. Kei te marokerihia, kei te wahi te whare whaku, te tepu. When I clean the whare whaku, it's easy, I don't even care.
Ka mahia ngā rihi, te whakangote me te rūma horoi. I picked to do my dishes because you get lots of money.
So the whole point of this is to make cleaning the whare fun. So create a cool environment for them. Turn mahi into games, put on some music, but most important of all, be sure to praise them for all their mahi that they do.
I finished Mama mahi first.
pai koutou, whakātu mai o koutou mahe. Anei a kia. Raue tō mahe. Ka pai. Anei tō putea. Kia ha tō pirangi mai te toa?
Aipraka.
Aipraka, anei. Ho mai te tai mere ona. Kia ora.
Kara, it's Pena. Hi. It's so fun to call my hoa because they're so funny.
I chose 30 minutes iPad time on YouTube because I like drawing and I like doing art.
It's important for tamariki to clean up their whare because it's good to help their mum and dad and so they don't have to do it by themselves.
People should do the mahere in their house so their house is clean and because it's fun and you get a treat at the end.
Ko te tūmanako he āhuatanga pai tēnei mā koutou ko tō whānau. We hope that you and your whānau enjoy doing this mahere mahi together.
Just remember, mātua mā, your tamariki won't always clean up as good as you do. So the point of this is to get them into a routine and habit of cleaning up as a whānau. And no doubt, they'll improve along the way.
Mena he tīwhiri anō au hei whakaaki I o tamariki ki te whakapai whare, tēnā tuhia ki raro. So if you guys have any other tips or tricks on how you encourage your tamariki to clean your whare, leave them in the comments below.
We also want to see your whānau in action doing this mahere mahi. Be sure to share some pics and stories of you cleaning your whare and share them with us on our social pages at Whānau Wellbeing on Facebook and Instagram.
Kia haumaru te noho e hoa mā te wā.
Ka kite!